Good morning, everybody. I've got amazing news. The market is back on fire. I was done this morning in about an hour. We had some great opportunities today. Actually had some conviction out there today for the first time in I don't know how long. CMD today was absolutely unreal. And I'm going to go through exactly how I caught it step by step. Every single trade this morning from the 40s all the way up into the mid 60s. This was an unbelievable price action. So I'm going to break it down step by step exactly what we're looking at this morning, and then we'll get into it here. So going into the bell today, we had an awesome day again to further this green streak along here. And into the open, we had four stocks. I was watching CMD, MGRX primarily. And then we had NVVE and CYPH down there beneath that honorable mentions. So I didn't really love them, but they were worth a watch. Now, I'm profitable on NVVE today and CMND. The rest of these I didn't trade, but the ones that met criteria, I did. And as you know, the watch list is on fire, and we made some good money on it today. So let's go ahead and take a look here. So CMND, first and foremost, watching this because it was one of our leading gappers this morning. In pre-market, this thing was up huge this morning, and so it was on most people's radar, I believe. At least hopefully it was. And so, of course, it had to be on ours as well. And so we know we have, going into market open, we have this big top of this channel here formed off the highs. And, of course, we have these higher lows formed here as well. And I was watching this pretty closely into the bell, and I was wanting to see if this channel would hold odd channel here. Well, actually, hold on. It's because I've got it drawn wrong. So we had these higher lows holding up into the bell, and so I was initially going to watch this for... Well, it's a tough spot, because I was going to initially take this down here out of the open for a bit of an anticipatory move back up through highs, and that would have been amazing, obviously, but I wanted to see confirmation first. So I waited for the candle to break to a new high, but then the issue was we broke to the new high, and then we have VWAP right overhead. So, of course, I can't take it here with the lack of range. So I'll wait for price to break above. I take the first pullback here off of the pullbacks to the VWAP moving averages. Nail the entry here with extremely tight risk. Look at this. Extremely tight risk for the break higher. I get the break up into this previous high where we have overhead supply. I get some trims. I try to get an add over the high of day on this flat top breakout. But as you can see, it sells off a little bit. I gave back a little bit profit. And then we pull back again. We keep on seeing, look at that. These aggressive pullbacks continue to get bought up. And so I'm like, all right, so this is respecting off that 90 MA so well. And so I get a little add back here, see if we couldn't get the squeeze higher now that we're over the pre-market highs. And so again, this gets picked up off the 9. Again, I take it here risking off this low, and I get the squeeze higher. Now, as we get the squeeze higher here, we have this extremely tight flat top form here off that high. And so as we get breaking higher, what do? I add here on the break of the high on the flat top breakout with the stop loss here at the bottom of this candle to make sure it followed through, keep it risk-free. And I got to move here all the way up into the highs. Now, I only had runners left up here at the highs, but overall that got me here from the mid-40s all the way to the mid-60s to start the morning, which I could not have asked for a better way to start the day. This is unbelievable. I haven't been able to actually have conviction to get any ads like this, and I don't know how long. And today I had the conviction to get some ads, and so I was really able to capitalize on this. I needed to, and I just couldn't be any happier. So that's so awesome to see after weeks of slowness. We're seeing finally some heat back in the markets, and it's just such a good feeling, and it's just such a satisfying feeling. So play this here, of course, got our trims up into the highs as we saw the tape begin to slow off the highs here. Saw a big seller sitting off the high, and I just wanted to hold a little bit off the 90 MA here. And then it knifes off the high really quickly, and I get a horrible fill with this last little bit of runners and pretty much get it filled right back there beneath the previous ad. And so gave back a little bit, but just had runners left. So all in all, beautiful way to start the morning. Again, I could not be happier with this, and it really was a super nice setup. And of course, the daily time frame here was nice too. We had this super beat down daily with range back up into the moving averages overhead up towards really close to 80 cents. So really happy with this. You can start the day in a big way there. Moving on from that, we had MGRX, which I did not trade. And the reason why, we'll look back at this. The reason why I didn't like this is, of course, not only do we have VWAP sitting here. Let me get zoomed out so you can actually see the big picture setup. And so this is kind of a nasty setup here. I was watching it from the pre-market watch list. As you saw, it says to watch it over 227 because I wanted us to first get over this high from pre-market, which you can see formed right here. So what I wanted to see happen here is I wanted to see a strong break out of this doji. And if it would have broken out, again, in a strong way, let's say that is a circle. Let's say we get a break here over this previous high, then I can look for a pullback, right? And look for that next leg higher. But we never got the break, so no break, no trade, as you know. And so didn't play that, but I did go over here to NVVE. And this one I tried to play, and it made a big move. I still made some money on it, not as much as I wish that I did. But the issue was 20 million share float. And, I don't trade them quite as well because for one, it's not really in my sandbox. But for two, I just don't have as much conviction because it's not in my sandbox. So, it or something and you already have a lack of conviction, you're already going to trade it a little bit worse. And, now, I still played it quite well. I played it here on the break. We have this simple pivot here from pre-market where we have the break of these highs from pre-market right here where we have this range put in. We broke over those highs. And from there, it gives you a nice area of defined risk to sort of pull backs off the 90 MA. And so I grabbed the first 90 MA pullback, play it quite well here, and I get a little bit of a move through its highs. And tries to break higher. And from here, of course, I'm just trilling my stop loss to the 1 minute candle low, looking for that continuation. And then, of course, as it breaks down here underneath that 1 minute low, I go ahead and take my full profit and sit back. And that's the gripe I have with these larger float names. This, again, has a 20 million share float. The fact that they trade a little bit wider, they're a little bit choppier. And then, of course, I try to take a pullback up here off the 90 MA. As this candle break to a new high, took the entry risking off the bottom of this candle to see if we couldn't get that leg back up into previous highs. I didn't get it, an overall break even on this one. So that sums up the morning. That's all we had to do. Absolutely insane. So super, super, super happy. Hopefully y'all had a good day today. I know it was definitely a fruitful one. So 100% win rate day. The market's heating back up. Stream was on fire today. And I don't know about you, but man, I'm excited for tomorrow. So make sure, as always, to subscribe if you did learn something from this video. And, of course, make sure to claim your 7-day free trial down in the description below. That way you can actually watch me trade these stocks in real time every single day and get alerts, education, chat room access, scanners, news, and so much more. And that being said, I will catch you back there tomorrow for an awesome day to end the week. Have an awesome afternoon. I'll see you there.